I think the economy's going to do very well, and inflation's well in check.
Optimism about the local economy, a new project potentially bringing 1,000 jobs to Lawrence County, and Ohio gets funding to expand apprenticeship programs. This is the Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, I'm Mike Moliterno. Welcome to the Daily Buzz. Just a quick heads up, this evening at 5:30, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine is going to hold a press conference. We're not sure exactly what he's going to be saying there, but we will be watching, so be sure to check back at businessjournaldaily.com for all of the latest on that. Tomorrow morning, we're also going to have an update from YSU President Jim Tressel, who is going to be discussing what's ahead for the fall semester. So be sure to check back for all of those stories tomorrow morning. Now, to our top story. By the end of next week, the name of the last locally owned financial institution in downtown Youngstown will be gone. Workers from Gardner Signs of Toledo began removing the home savings lettering from the clock tower in downtown Youngstown Tuesday. The southwest and east side should be removed by the end of the week. Starting next week, a large crane will begin removing the north face. By July 24th, the signage for the new financial entity, Premier Bank, should be complete, says Lou Joseph, Senior Vice President, Real Estate Owned and Maintenance.
It was on the letters. We're going to house those at our sign company, and we're considering auctioning some off as a ways to raise some money for either local charity or historical society.
The home savings lettering has been a part of the downtown Youngstown skyline since 1949. The bank itself began as the Home Building and Loan Company in 1889. Construction of the building, topped with the iconic clock tower, began in 1918. Despite the different name, Mahoning Valley Market President Frank Hero says customers will see no change in the face-to-face staff and services offered.
We're going to have some additional services. We have an expanded wealth and trust opportunity. Our technology is more advanced than the legacy home savings. From a people perspective, there was no overlap in our merger of equals.
As for the local economy, while some sectors have been slow to recover, particularly the service industry, Hero says he's optimistic the economy is going to do well long term.
The low interest rates have really made it a very attractive time to finance. I mean, our mortgage volume and our mortgage business, both sale and refinance, are stronger than they've been in any recent memory. Our consumer loan business the last couple of months has been very, very good.
The Pennsylvania Commonwealth Finance Authority has awarded $5 million to LaCarte Development to build a new business park in southern Lawrence County. The park will be built at the site of Stonecrest Golf Course in Wampum. LaCarte estimates it can build 1.5 million square feet of buildings that could employ up to 1,000 people. And a $9.4 million grant from the U.S. Department of Labor will help Ohio expand apprenticeship opportunities. Ohio ranks second in the country with 19,000 registered apprentices. The grant will fund system improvements, incentives for employers to pay for the costs of training and tools, and pre-apprenticeship opportunities to serve underrepresented communities. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications if you're watching on YouTube. As always, the links to the stories we talked about today are in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
The Federal Reserve has been doing a very good job of trying to prevent the pandemic from creating a deep recession or even a depression. All of the government stimulus has been good to help folks during this interim period until we come up with a solution.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.